Right, no need for a long intro. Ranking the coasters of Kennywood, let's go. Number 8, Lil Phantom. Didn't ride it, but it does look fun. Number 7, Exterminator. It broke down while I was in line, but seriously guys, stop overhyping this. It's just a theme spinning mouse in a box. Number 6, Racer. This is a very, very underrated, but really fun classic racing wooden coaster. Number 5, Jackrabbit. This ride is not just about the double down. I mean, the double down is an amazing moment of airtime, but this ride also pulls some lateral G's. Number 4, Steel Curtain. Not much outside of the 9 inversions and having some positive G's. Definitely not worth waiting an hour and a half for this though. Number 3, Skyrocket. Front row airtime going up the top hat. The 0G roll has a bit of whip to it, and great operations are always a plus. Number 2, Thunderbolt. Great airtime, great laterals, an all-around great classic wooden coaster. But really, I have to say, all the classic wooden coasters here have aged better than most aerodynamics. Half of the wooden coasters aged, even a third of the wooden coasters aged. Number 1, Phantom's Revenge. I said all that I had to say about this ride in my review. Just go watch that. Thank you for watching, and please go watch the review.